Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to make dynamic border box in Excel. We have the basic data includes employee ID column. We have the name column. We have the department and last salary column. Now, if we want to add new employees, we do not need to provide format. We only need to insert employee ID. It will automatically create the above format. And now you only need to fill data instead of formatting. Now again test our function that we will learn. This is what we need to learn in this video. We need to create function that will automatically create formatting. And it will not only make presentable, but also saves our time. But before learning it, you are requested to subscribe our channel to support us. This function is very helpful for data inputting jobs or tasks due to rows increase as per data. Let's start our example of creating dynamic border boxes in Excel along with formatting. We have the data sheet on which we need to create such mechanism. In order to make it, first we need to select the area of the table on which it will apply. So first we select the required formatting area in Excel sheet. Now go on Home tab for Conditional Formatting. In the Home tab, you will find Conditional Formatting option. Now click on the New Rule option. Now click on Use a Formula option in the last. Click on the bar and then click on the table cell for reference. Now remove the second $sign given in the cell. Now add greater than and less than sign. And now add inverted comma open and close. Now select Format option for required formatting. First, make the table format in italic font. Then go on Fill option and choose desired color. Now click on Border tab and select Border Outline option. Now click on the OK option. Now test our formula and conditional formatting. We can use the conditional formatting for multiple formatting as well. We have used only few basic tricks of the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a very useful and powerful tool. It saves our time and energy for formatting any data. And if you face any confusion, please write in our comment section. We will surely respond on it.